Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the EMA dynamic support and resistance. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the EMA dynamic support and resistance. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 342 indicators, and out of those 342 indicators, 139 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So we'll go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Also, to date, we have tested actually 17 different strategies. All right, so back to today's indicator. It is the EMA dynamic support and resistance. You can see it here on screen. And so basically what we have is an EMA, and then it works off of the ATR to create kind of a channel that you can see here between these two lines. I think we have tested a similar indicator before. It seems like we have. Can't remember, after almost 400. Some of them start to kind of blend together. Nonetheless, what we are looking for is when price action breaks out below this channel or the blue line, then we are going to go short. When it breaks out above the channel or the red line, then we're going to go long. And so pretty simple setup, almost like we would test a regular EMA, but it gives us a little bit of a breathing room or a buffer in between these. So let's see, we pick up our first signal right there. It's going to be a long signal. Price breaks out above the channel there. Then it looks like we get a switch from 1 week to another. Yep, it sure did. So we switched from 1 week to another there, and when we did, double check this one more time. Yep, we end up getting a heavy pullback there, and that would have stopped us out, even though price continued on in the direction we wanted it to go in the first place. Then we get a short signal right here on that one. That does get us to take profit there. Then we pick up a long signal right there. And comes down, stops us out there. And it looks like, double check here, the close of this candle is 81.25 and the EMA is at 81.256, and so the close of this one is just barely below the EMA line there, and so that would be a short right there. And unfortunately, that one also stops us out pretty quick as we turn around and spike up to the top there. That one does get us to take profit though. Alright, so here I'm going to cut some of the video out so that way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we're closer to the end of the year. Alright, so we are at the end of the year now. Before we calculate these up, count them out, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, whether you are an experienced trader or a new trader, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. Once you sign up for our Patreon, then you'll get access to the Patreon only channel on our Discord server. It's really, really good information in there. We're posting some really good advanced topics, information about trading strategies, and so on. Our admin Jay has put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms. And so if you use the MT platforms versus Tradingview, then that list would be very handy for you to get a hold of. Our admins and some of the other members are posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis. And so they're posting screenshots of charts marked up with support and resistance in areas where they're entering, exiting trades, taking profit. The whole deal, really, really great stuff. They're growing small accounts really quickly using some of those strategies and the signals that they're putting out there. So if you are trying to dial in a trading strategy, or just train your eye to see those ideal market conditions, or even just jump on some of those trades yourself and see what you can make out of them, then again, it's really, really good information to have. So highly recommend you join Patreon only channel. Back to the indicator here. Let's go ahead and get everything in focus. Right there to there. Let's count these out and see what we get out of this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. So 27 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So 15 winning trades. And so just barely missed the 60% win-loss ratio that we are looking for. Interesting concept using moving average as a channel. I think there's probably a better way to do it than this, and I think it's possible that this method could work. It's something that I've toyed around with before, and I know some of at least one of the other members on the Patreon only channel has also toyed around with this idea also of creating a channel out of a moving average. And so I don't think all hope is lost on it. I just think this method didn't work very well, and so it's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to Tradingview, and if you use that link to Tradingview to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.